It's Reed Wildlife, y'all. Alright, we're gonna be fishing my friend Benny's pond today and see if we can catch some fish. And the weather's pretty nice right now. And we're gonna rig up we got 3 poles, and we'll rig up a couple different things. And y'all be safe during this coronavirus mess, and hope we can catch some fish, and I'll see y'all later. Oh yeah, Benny's got one on, y'all. On the Cinco. That's pretty nice, Ben.
Yeah.
Y'all, first one of the day. Nice and easy, Benny.
Oh, yeah.
I know where he went.
He's still over there.
You see?
I don't know. No, I didn't see him. The tree or the bank.
Alright, y'all, we just caught one. It's a pretty nice one. Me and Benny's 1-1 right now. Let's see if we can get some more. Good morning, y'all. It's Reed's Wildlife. Yesterday me and Benny went fishing, caught 2, and then we just, I don't know, it didn't work out the rest of the day, so we're gonna try it again today. So it's the second day, and we got the old Danger Ranger right here strapped down with some kayaks. We're gonna try my uncle's pond over there and towards Crestview and see if we can catch some. I see y'all in the water. Alright, it's Reed's Wildlife. I picked up Benny over there. We're gonna kayak my uncle's pond over here and see if we can catch some. We just arrived. See y'all later. Old trench hog gigging bait, y'all. I don't know what Benny's doing over there. You got to.
I am better.
Yeah, kayaking, you gonna get wet. Alright, y'all, we're gonna throw this white fluke right here. We done moved over here across from the docks over here to see what we can do. Alright, y'all, we're using the red spinnerbait right now. Let's see if that works. We're gonna try her out. Look over there. Yeah, you see it?
Yeah. Reed's Wildlife, and today we're going back at it to catch some more.
Y'all heard him, guys. We catching it. Got one on, boys. First one of the day. Yeah. Pretty nice one. Already feel like it. Gosh, dog. Boys, aren't they? There y'all go right there, y'all. He's a pound.
Huh?
He's a pound. Oh y'all, there's one right there. See if we can catch some more. Oh, we just picked up one and we're gonna throw over here on this shadow bank. See if we can catch some more. Got one, boys. Oh yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Put him in the water. Y'all, we've been getting a couple bites on this little yum dinger. White Cinco. I caught 2, and then we seen some bass come after it, and we're gonna see if we can catch some more. Got another one, boys. Oh, he came on. Y'all gonna throw this right there and just get some bites on the shell dinger. And hopefully this one just balked a bit, and he came off unfortunately, but we'll see if we can catch one. See if we can get him to bite again. Got him, y'all. Oh, this is a good one, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. That's close to 2 pounds. Alright, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see if we can get some more. Oh, my bad.
But guess what?
You're just slow. It's Reed's Wildlife coming at y'all. Me and Benny, he didn't catch nothing. I ain't gonna lie. He caught 0. I caught 3. I almost had one in the kayak. Didn't get him in. But and then the first day we went fishing, Benny caught one. And I thought he was gonna outfish me, to be honest. And then I caught one. So ended up I caught 4 and he caught 1. And that was 2 days, and we had a good time, y'all. And be safe during all this corona mess. And please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See y'all later.